2701 Queen Anne Avenue North. This is a sewer scope from a clean out on the north side of the building. We're currently sitting at the city main in the middle of Queen Anne Avenue. I'm going to pull back from here and record as we go. So we're pulling back into 6-inch diameter concrete pipe there. And then a turn right away. Now it's still in the concrete. You can see the erosion line where it's going down the middle where the exposed aggregate's sticking out. You can really see it on that side. Some parts are worse than others, but I always tell customers it's like putting sandpaper on a slip and slide at Wild Waves. The water goes fine, but the toilet paper and the waste doesn't. Warm water somewhere.
Okay.
Might start fogging up here soon. Let's get what we can while we can. There's a tie-in on the left-hand side, which would be for your neighbor's house if you share a line.
But how can that work? Because that would be pushing uphill, wouldn't it?
Not necessarily. Depends on it's probably deep, yeah.
Yeah.
It could be an old tie-in too. It might not still be valid.
Yeah, and when I looked at, so the next house over, says that their lines all run around to the north side of their house.
Except for their downspout line coming from this side.
Okay, you think that might tie in?
Potentially. I mean,
okay.
it could be that that tie-in's just completely abandoned it. There's no way to tell for sure unless they were running water through their downspout.
Okay.
But yeah, if the downspouts the only thing on that side, that's the only thing it really could be.
Okay. I know that house has never been significantly.
Alright, now we are into PVC. I believe this is PVC all the way back up to here.
So how many feet of PVC is that?
18.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe a little bit less because the reel actually starts counting from this loop right here where my arm is.
Okay. It's a long run, PVC.
And there's our access point. I'm going to end the recording there.